As far as Doge support floor, it especially for the most part is currently $0.056 in a by and large in every practical sense, huge way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today in an unpretentious manner, which is very critical. Dogecoin fundamentally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Doge fall 1.41% in 7 days, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 08 October 2023, in this video we'll walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts, what all things considered. Really is essentially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, sort of is Doge a wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of commonly significant manner. However, prior to plunging actually especially profound into the Doge specialized investigation, basically let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations, which basically is genuinely huge. Market examination over the especially by and large last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,092,101,741,765, or so they thought. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $17,412,615,578, which fundamentally is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part especially shows that as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is currently $0.056, or so they especially by and large thought. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently $0.056 incredibly. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.22% coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 0.54 and at present exchanging at 52 cents, showing how Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today in a quite huge manner in an unobtrusive way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions for the most part explicitly demonstrate that the market truly generally is going in an extremely descending course for certainly present moment, kind of additional appearance, how Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part shows that as far as Doge support floor, it really is currently $0.056 in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a general most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly truly are significant specialized markers used to basically explicitly recognize pretty especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they certainly by and large thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become moves sort of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Following basically for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, explicitly is at $0.061, down 0.29% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and certainly basically has a value change of 1.41% over the course of the week in an especially large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is $91,441,858.00 United States dollars, While sort of in every practical sense, absolute market cap came to $8,632,685,403 United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. There in a real sense are practically $141,331,556,384 for the most part generally are available for use out of $141,331,546,384, so Doge fall 1.41% in 7 days, which especially is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 08 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time span really made sense of beneath, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to basically for the most part dissect the future development of the Dogecoin in a sort of significant manner, or so they thought. While Doge's Williams %R pointer especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign basically is especially conceivable at this reach in an especially huge manner. The MACD line is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so following in a real sense, certainly are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, truly is at $0.061, down 0.29% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and actually basically has a value change of 1.41% over the course of the week. Which especially is very critical. Dogecoin financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the by and large fundamentally everyday diagram, which especially is very critical. The extremely relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin generally explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24 in a very significant manner. The prompt opposition level at Doge costs for the most part is at the mental characteristic of $0.062, so one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 91,441,858.00 United States dollars, while pretty really all-out market cap came to $8,632,685,403 United States dollars, or so they in every practical sense thought, in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming everything goes well, the coin could by and large attempt to truly break above $0.064 mark, showing how we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including pretty certain